First, before I move on to the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a brief overview of how this works. So there is a lock mechanism on this, but all you really need is a push of your finger and it'll unlock. Originally, it was only supposed to work if I insert a quarter, but it just didn't end up working out. So if we move to the back, and the rest of the box is pretty messy. This tube is the one that you spin, and this is the one where the prize is at. Basically, when you spin this tube, it also pushes this tube along with it. So right now it's locked because I didn't put in a quarter. Once again, all I need to do is push it and it'll unlock. So now if I spin it, you can see the other wheel is turning, and then it locks again. And here's how it looks in the front side. So once again, I push it with my finger, and you can see it spins. And then this key mechanism is really simple, but only 2 of the squishies come with keys. And it's impossible to spin it all the way with your finger because there's not enough room. And of course you could reuse the same key, but it doesn't matter because this is just for fun. This is basically just a water bottle with a hole in it, and that's all it is. So without a quarter, it'll be locked. But once you put in a quarter, the quarter will push down the popsicle stick. And it'll also fall down at the same time. And it will unlock. Then it goes back to being locked. So the quarter will kind of just tilt the popsicle stick down so that it's not being stuck by the popsicle stick wall over here. So I hot glued in another roll of cardboard to extend the lever. This way it will extend enough so that I could spin it. enjoyed watching, and if you did, please subscribe and like this video. And I'm also almost at 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And I'm going to be hosting a giveaway pretty soon. Once I reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some squishies, puffy paint, and I'll see what else to give away. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!